chicken, your broccoli, your asparagus, your potatoes, everything. And by the way, it's the healthiest way to eat. Mommy and Daddy need this. Oh wait, there's a bonus. You ready? How many of you taken frozen food out of the freezer and it says preheat the big fat oven to 475 degrees and you have to sit there and wait? This is instant on, no preheat, no wait. You take it right out of the freezer, right out of the refrigerator, and you go in, bang, you're cooking. I understand that maybe you purchased one.
I've had one for about 6 months now. It's been phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Right.
What do you like about it?
Well, one thing, my wife likes it, and that's why we have it.
That's right. The wife likes it.
Right. She stays at home. We have 2 kids, actually 3. 2 little kids who like pizzas every day. So we do this pizza thing every single day. It was a little weird at first because when you open up the oven, you get the steam coming out, and you say, how on earth does this ever work?
That's right.
And it does. It works phenomenally well.
I ran into Hannah and she said she already bought one. And Hannah, what do you think of the product?
I love it. We use it every single day. It's replaced our microwave, it's replaced our pizza oven, our toaster, all one thing on the counter. Nice and easy to use. It cooks amazing.
Has it changed your life?
Comes our egg and waffles every day for the kids. It tastes better 3 days later out of there than it does coming right out of the oven.
Drink more water, eat more water, cook at 485 degrees superheated steam. Hannah knows that. By the way, sheet pan cooking, instant on, no wait, no preheat. It's a revolutionary, evolutionary product from Sharp. I'm going to send Hannah a little special care package because she's the best. Everyone go out there and buy this for Mom for Mother's Day or for Dad for Father's Day. Thumbs up.